Hi everyone, welcome back to Pottery Day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful clay plate without using a pottery wheel. This is a simple and fun project that you can try at home. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Getting started. First, you'll need mold clay or stoneware clay. Choose the amount you want to use and cut it with a thread or wire. This helps get a clean cut. It's always better to take slightly more clay than you think you'll need. Step 2. Rolling the clay. Next, roll the clay into a flat sheet about ½ inch thick. You can use a regular kitchen roller for this. Make sure the surface is even to get a smooth finish for your plate. Step 3. Shaping the plate. Now, take a circular object like a plate to use as a guide for size. Place it on the clay sheet and cut around it carefully. Once you've got your circle, smooth the edges with your fingers to get rid of any rough spots. Then gently lift the plate off the clay. Step 4. Creating the plate shape. Next, take another plate and cover it with a soft cloth to prevent sticking. Carefully place your clay circle onto the covered plate. Now, this is the most delicate step. Press the clay slowly and evenly to give it the desired depth and shape. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the clay. Step 5. Smoothing the surface. Once the plate is shaped, grab a wet sponge. Squeeze out the excess water and use it to smooth the surface of your clay plate. This will make the final piece look polished and professional. Step 6. Drying and painting. Now, let the clay plate dry completely. This may take a day or two, depending on the environment. Once it's dry, it's time for the fun part, painting. I'm using my plate as a decor piece, so I'm choosing colors that match my style, but you can get as creative as you like. And that's it. Your DIY clay plate is ready to decorate your home or give as a handmade gift. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pottery Day for more pottery projects. See you in the next video.